Hello everyone, this is your tutor from MateEasy Biotechnology Education YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the part number 5 of enzyme engineering module. So here we will talk about the enzyme classification and the nomenclature. So let's start the topic. Firstly, the enzyme classification and nomenclature. This is done by the IUMB. IUMB means International Union of Biochemistry and the Molecular Biology. Initially there was IUB which modified, then it becomes IUBMB. सो आप लोगों को सबसे पहले डेफिनेशन इसकी आनी चाहिए. IUBMB की फुल फॉर्म जो होता है वो होता है इंटरनेशनल यूनियन ऑफ बायोकेमिस्ट्री एंड द मॉलिक्यूलर biology. It provide the code and the universal name to the enzyme. So IUMB provide a specific code and a name to the enzyme through which we specified which type of enzyme is this. So as like roll number, so roll number provide the information about a specific person, as it is enzymes are also coded in a specific sequences. Observed by Mother Branch EC Enzyme Commission. So initially IUMB is observed by the Mother Branch, which is known as the Enzyme Commission. EC state that each enzyme has its own enzyme commission has its own EC number which give a specific code to the enzyme to classify them. So EC states that each enzyme has its own EC number and which are very specific to that enzyme and also helpful to classify that enzyme. So initially there was IUB. So according to IUB there are 6 classification of the enzyme, but according to IUMB, which is a modified version of IUB, it has a 7 classification of the enzyme. So let's see initially the 6 class of the enzyme by IUB. So enzyme, and this is the EC number. So for to learn this we can use the trick OTH lil. Here O stands for oxidoreductase, T for transferases, H means hydrolase, L means lyase, I means isomerase, and L means ligase. And the EC number is respectively EC number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 for oxidoreductase to ligases respectively. So initially IUB classify the enzyme into the 6 classes which are given as with their EC number, and after that the 7 classification done by the IUBMB, it includes at the 7th position the translocase enzyme class. So nomenclature. IUB states that enzyme name is formed with 4-digit code and each code is or digit is separated by dot. IUB एक जो हमारा इंटरनेशनल यूनियन ऑफ बायोकेमिस्ट्री है, इसने कहा था कि जो एंजाइम का नाम होगा वो 4 डिजिट में लिखा जाएगा और हर एक डिजिट के बीच में एक डॉट रखा जाएगा. जैसे कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि अल्कोहल डिहाइड्रोजिनेज एक एंजाइम होती है. इसको जब हम लोग इसका नाम लिखते हैं IUB के अकॉर्डिंग तो EC 1.1.1 होता है. इट मीन्स ये जो है 4 डिजिट का कोड हो गया एंड हर एक डिजिट के बीच में एक पॉइंट रखा गया है. सो EC 1.1.1 पॉइंट हियर वन फर्स्ट वन रिप्रेजेंट्स द मेजर क्लास, second one represents the subclass, third represent the subclass and fourth one represent the number of the enzyme. So let's move ahead. It is necessary during the nomenclature of enzyme writing EC before the nomenclature of nomenclature's 4-digit code. So it is very important to write the EC before writing the 4-digit code. So this is the rule which are given by the IUB for the nomenclature of the enzyme. Now we will briefly explain the 6 classification of the enzyme by the IUB. So first one was the oxidoreductase. So it does oxidation and the reduction simultaneously. ऑक्सीडोरिडक्टेज एक ऐसा एंजाइम होता है जिसमें ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन जो होता है साइमल्टेनियसली होते रहता है। और इसमें क्या होता है कि ये जो है ऑक्सीडाइज फॉर्म को रिड्यूस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करता है एंड रिड्यूस फॉर्म को ऑक्सीडाइज फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करता है। एंड अगर यहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन हो रहा है, इट मीन्स हियर इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर विल ऑल्सो टेक प्लेस। सो when the electron acceptor will be reduced and electron donor will be oxidized. So hypothetical reaction can be given as A oxidation plus B reduction. After using the oxidoreductase enzyme, it get converted into the A reduction plus B oxidation. So as we have studied that here the oxidized form will be converted into the reduced form and the reduced form will be converted into the oxidized form. So here that's happen in the hypothetical reaction. Here A oxidizing get converted into the A reducing form and B reducing get converted into the B oxidizing form. So oxidoreductase has the EC number 1, and the example for the oxidoreductase enzyme is oxidase, dehydrogenase, oxygenase. Here firstly we will see what is oxidase. So here oxidase is an enzyme which uses the O2 as an electron acceptor molecule. oxidase एक ऐसी एंजाइम होती है जो ऑक्सीजन को इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर मॉलिक्यूल की तरह यूज करती है। डिहाइड्रोजिनेज क्या होती है? एंजाइम विच टेक्स इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम अदर देन O2 आर कॉल्ड द डिहाइड्रोजिनेज एंजाइम। डिहाइड्रोजिनेज एक ऐसी एंजाइम होती है जो इलेक्ट्रॉन को लेती है लेकिन ऑक्सीजन से नहीं, बल्कि ऑक्सीजन के अलावा मॉलिक्यूल से जब इलेक्ट्रॉन का इंटेक करती है उस एंजाइम को हम लोग डिहाइड्रोजिनेज एंजाइम कहते हैं। जैसे कि हमारा बहुत सारा एग्जाम्पल होता है NADH डिहाइड्रोजिनेज, FADH डिहाइड्रोजिनेज, FMN डिहाइड्रोजिनेज। एंड थर्ड एग्जाम्पल इज ऑक्सीजिनेज। Oxygenase enzyme which perform the addition of O2 and then oxidation occur and then form the oxidized compound. So oxygenase is an enzyme which perform the addition of O2. If it perform the addition of O2, it means the molecule will be oxidized, hence it form oxidized compound. Oxidized means compound is utilized completely. Now the second class of the enzyme is transferase enzyme. Transferase enzyme which transfer the functional group from one molecule to another molecule or compound is known as the transferase enzyme. So एक ऐसी एंजाइम होती है ट्रांसफरेज एंजाइम जो एक फंक्शनल ग्रुप को एक मॉलिक्यूल से दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल पर ट्रांसफ़र करती है। लेट्स सपोज हियर A has functional group X plus B form the compound BX plus C. It means the functional group from the A molecule get transferred to the B molecule. So this is just because of the transferase enzyme. The example for the transferase enzyme is a transaminase, kinase and the phosphorylase. So let's see the transaminase enzyme. So here a transfer of the functional group or the amino acid from one compound to another compound takes place with the help of the transaminase enzyme. So here in the transaminase case of enzyme, here the transfer of the functional group, that is amino group, get transfer from one compound to the another compound with the help of the transaminase enzyme. Example for the transaminase enzyme is a transamination reaction. This reaction occur in the protein degradation. When amine group is transferred from the amino acid, then the structure is called alpha keto acid and its skeleton resembles the alpha ketoglutamic acid. जब अमीन ग्रुप जो है अमीनो ग्रुप से ट्रांसफ़र हो जाता है, इट मीन्स जब कोई अमीन ग्रुप है उसमें से जब हम लोग अमीनो ग्रुप को हटा देंगे, देन वो जो है अल्फ़ा कीटो एसिड कहलाता है और उसका जो स्केलेटन होता है वो रिजेंबल करता है अल्फ़ा कीटोग्लूटामिक एसिड को। Example for the transamination reaction is alanine transferase. When it is basically the example of the transaminase enzyme. So alanine transferase when occur in the alanine, when amine group transfer from the amino acid is removed, then it form the respective acid called the alpha ketoglutamic acid. अल्फ़ा कीटो एसिड क्या होती है? अमीनो एसिड विच डू नॉट हैव इट्स ओन अमीनो ग्रुप इज़ नोन एज अल्फ़ा कीटो एसिड। एक ऐसी अमीनो एक ऐसी अमीनो एसिड जिसमें उसका खुद का अमीनो ग्रुप जो होता है वो नहीं होता, तो उसको हम लोग अल्फ़ा कीटो एसिड कहते हैं। जैसे ये हमारा जो है बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अमीन है, या फिर अमीनो एसिड का एक बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर है। जब यहाँ से हम लोग अमीन ग्रुप NH2 को जब रिमूव कर देंगे तो ये जो है अल्फ़ा कीटो एसिड का फॉर्मेशन करेगा, एंड ये जो है स्ट्रक्चर रिजेंबल कर रहा है स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अल्फ़ा कीटो ग्लूटामिक एसिड का। Second one example of the transferase enzyme is kinase. When phosphate group is transferred through ATP, then it is called as kinase enzyme. जब phosphate group का ट्रांसफ़र जो है ATP के थ्रू होता है तब हम लोग इसको जो है kinase enzyme कहते हैं। जैसे phosphate group is formed from ATP and this is called kinase enzyme. जो phosphate group होता है वो ATP के थ्रू ही बनता है, इसलिए हम लोग इसको kinase enzyme कहते हैं। Let's suppose as we have seen in many reactions that ATP is easily utilized and it get converted into the ADP and PI, where PI stands for the inorganic phosphate. So here phosphate is formed from the ATP molecule, that's why it is a kinase enzyme. Example of the kinase enzyme. So here two examples which are very important for the kinase enzyme is hexokinase and the pyruvate kinase. Hexokinase is the enzyme which are utilized in the first step in glycolysis. It is used when glucose is converted into the glucose 6-phosphate. Pyruvate kinase in the ninth step of the glycolysis with ATP phosphate group is transferred. So let's see the third example of the transferase enzyme, which is phosphorylase. So phosphorylase is basically the transfer of the phosphorus. Let's start the third category of the transferase enzyme, which is the phosphorylase. So here the transfer of the phosphate group through other than ATP is obtained and it is called the phosphorylase enzyme. When phosphate group is formed from other than ATP molecule, then it is called the phosphorylase enzyme. So you must see the difference between the kinase enzyme and the phosphorylase enzyme, or the difference between the transaminase and the kinase enzyme and the phosphorylase enzyme, which has a very minute differences. So third class of the enzyme is hydrolase, the breaking of the bond in the presence of the addition of water. Basically here the hydrolysis reaction takes place. It means the hydrolysis of the bond occur. Hypothetical reaction. Let's suppose here compound A form the bond with the B, and here in the presence of the water molecule it get broke down and form the AH plus BOH molecule. T hydrolase enzyme are used during the photosynthesis. All digestive skip this example. Consider the second example. All the digestive enzyme comes under the hydrolase enzyme. So digestive enzyme includes the pepsin, renin, bile juice, etc. Fourth class of the enzyme is lyase, breaking of the bond which do not require the H2O presence. It means here the bond is broken down but in the absence of the H2O. Example for the lyase enzyme is COCN and the CS. These are the compound whose bond do not require H2O for breaking bond. In lyase, a double bond is either dissociate or a double bond is formed. Involvement of double bond is there, either it is formed or break. Hypothetical reaction. Here the double bond is getting broken down, and here the formation of the double bond take place. Example for the lyase enzyme is aldolase, phosphatase, phosphodiesterase. Phosphodiesterase is basically used to break the bond of the nucleotide bases in DNA. It breaks the phosphodiester bond. For fifth class of the enzyme is isomerase. Here enzyme which only change the conformation but do not change the chemical or the molecular formula. So here as do not require the addition or the substitution of any group. Hypothetical reaction. A plus B X C form A plus B C X. Here position conformation. It means molecular formula or the structure chemical formula is same, but the molecule the functional group changes its position. So here the position conformation takes place. You can see the second one example is also a plus bx c forms the a plus b plus cx. Here conformation is different but the molecular formula is same. So in isomerase, during its changing conformation time, the number of the bond, functional group and the compound elements remain the same. Example for the isomerase enzyme is mutase and epimerase, two most significant enzyme. Glucose and the fructose have same molecular formula but their structure or the conformation is different. As glucose is converted into the glucose 6 phosphate and glucose 6 phosphate get converted into the fructose 6 phosphate, and fructose 6 phosphate get converted into fructose 1,6 bis phosphate. So here phosphoglucoisomerase enzyme is utilized. Sixth class of enzyme is a ligase, enzyme which join two bond or the compound with the requirement of O2. So एक ऐसी एंजाइम होती है जिसमें दो बॉन्ड जो होते हैं या फिर दो कंपाउंड जो है ज्वाइन होते हैं विद द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ H2O. Carboxylase, example for the ligase enzyme is carboxylase used in the photorespiration. DNA ligase which are used to attach or join to DNA fragment. Carboxylase enzyme is used during fat synthesis. As in case of fat synthesis, acetyl CoA plus SCO3 minus form the malonyl CoA. Here acetyl CoA carboxylase enzyme is utilized. Carboxylases are enzymes that catalyze the incorporation of a CO2 molecule into an organic substrate. Pyruvate carboxylase encoded by the gene PC is an enzyme of the ligase class that catalyzes, depending on the species, the physiologically carboxylation of the pyruvate to form oxaloacetate. According to the IUBMB, in 2018, IUB upgrade yourself and became the IUBMB, and it gives the seventh classification of the enzyme. The seventh classification of the enzyme is translocase enzyme. Its function is to translocation, a transfer of the substance in the membrane protein in lipid bilayer. So basically it is a lipid bilayer, and here the transmembrane protein is present. Now become our function as a translocase enzyme. Transfer of the substance in or out, inside or outside by the membrane protein in lipid bilayer. ATP synthase complex. It translocates the substance in or out during electron transport chain in oxidative phosphorylation. So in electron transport chain, NADH and FADH comes from TCA cycle, and it gives electron and undergo complex 1 to complex 4 and release energy in complex 1, 2 and 3, and no energy is released in complex 4, and in complex 4 only push up of oxygen atom occur, which further react with the accumulated hydrogen and form the H2O. So these are all our 7 classification of the class of enzyme. So I hope you will like the video, and I hope you will also understand each and every concept related to the nomenclature and the classification of enzyme. Thank you so much for watching. Keep sharing and liking my videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.